Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to change an image on Hover in Wix. This is one of the best ways to make your site feel interactive, like showing a product from a different angle or revealing a behind-the-scenes shot when a user mouses over the box. These steps relate perfectly to each other to help you set this up in the standard Wix editor. The most reliable way to do this is by using a hover box. First, go to your editor and click the plus icon to add elements. Select Box and then choose Hover Boxes. You can pick a pre-designed one or a blank one to start from scratch. Once it is on your page, you'll notice two tabs at the top, Regular and Hover. Next, let's set your images. While in the Regular tab, click the background of the box and select Change Background to upload your first image. This is what everyone sees when the page loads. Then, click the Hover tab at the top of the box. The view will change, allowing you to set a completely different background. Click Change Background again and upload a second image that you want to appear when someone hovers their mouse over the box. The next connected step is adding a smooth transition. While still in the Hover tab, click on the Settings icon for the background. You can choose a transition like Fade or Scale to make the switch between the two images look professional, rather than a sudden jump. You can also add text or buttons in the Hover tab that only appear when the user interacts with the box, which is a great way to hide Shop Now buttons until they're needed. Finally, always make sure to check your work in preview mode. Hover your mouse over the box to ensure the second image triggers correctly and the transition is smooth. One important tip: since hover effects don't work on mobile devices, Wix will usually show either the regular or hover state by default on phones. You should open the mobile editor to choose which image looks best for your mobile visitors and ensure the box fits the smaller screen. That is literally it. If this quick design trick helped you make your site more dynamic, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to create a flip box effect next, and I will see you in the next video.